Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and I'm back today with another challenge featuring the Nikon ZF-C. You know how sometimes you forget just how good looking a camera actually is until it's back in your hands? Well, that is exactly how I'm feeling about this one. It is so retro looking and a full-on nod back to Nikon's iconic FM2 SLR. Now if you're watching this video because you're after all of the specky details behind this camera, then this is not the video for you. Stop watching and click the link that's in our description and that'll take you to our first look video that I filmed when this camera was first released. It's got all the spec and technical info that you probably want to know. Okay, so back to the challenge. What am I going to be doing today? Well, seeing as this camera reminds me of a film camera, especially because I've got the Nikon Z f2.8 lens on here, I'm going to treat it like a film camera today. So yeah, limiting myself to 36 shots. Really going to have to think hard about what I want to take a photo of and my settings, but let's go. I think I might have quite a nice shot lined up here. There is a selection of gulls just kind of sitting, well, standing on the shoreline, and where the tide is on its way out, we've got a really nice reflection in sheen coming off the sand. So yeah, here goes. I need to get a little bit closer though, because 28mm means you need to use your feet a lot. Of what I've just challenged myself to has finally sunk in. I don't have the best hit rate when it comes to photography. Like 1 in 10 is a push. So to only limit myself to 36 photos, I'm really having to think hard about whether the shot is worth it or not. That one probably wasn't, because I was quite far away from the birds. I didn't want to scare them. Even though I made the wrong choice with trying to take a picture of those birds, one place where I think I might make good choices is in the arcades, just behind me here on the edge of the pier, and the pier itself, to be fair. Normally they're quite cool for leading lines, and especially with the sea in the background. I might try slow shutter speed so I get on. I won't be able to take you with me because as soon as I start filming, I'll probably get told to go away. So I will venture over the pier, see what shots I can get, and then come back and we can have a look. See if I failed again or not. I think I've got a really nice shot lined up here. I'm under the pier, the tide is coming in, and I'm just going to be using the kind of concrete pillars as my leading line, so hopefully it will just draw people into the photo. Not that there's anything at the end of it, there's literally just going to be the pier, but never mind. I think I might use 2 shots here though, because it might look really nice in black and white, so monochrome. So I'm going to use the picture cells, switch to black and white, take a photo, and then take one in colour too. Okay, I've just realised that actually me saying that I want to shoot in black and white is also cheating, because I probably should have committed to that at the beginning of doing this challenge. If I was shooting on film, I'd have to change my film. What a palaver. Now that the sun is starting to set, all that's left for me to say is challenge complete, question mark. Well, yeah, I think so. 36 shots taken and a whole load of fun shooting with the Nikon ZFC. You know, I've actually really enjoyed thinking a lot harder about my composition and about the settings that I'm using, rather than knowing I can rely on post-production to save pretty much any photo that I take. I don't know if any of you will be able to relate to that, but as the advances in camera tech just keep getting better and better, and in post-production as well, I've probably become what some might call a lazy photographer. So today actually has been a challenge for me, but I've really enjoyed it. Now, if you want to find out any more information on the Nikon ZFC, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.